Have you ever felt lost, as if you were wandering alone in a vast wilderness? The parable of the lost sheep offers a profound insight into God's unwavering love and care for each of us. In Luke 15:4-7, Jesus shares the story of a shepherd who leaves his 99 sheep to find the one that is lost. This parable beautifully illustrates God's relentless pursuit and love for every soul, emphasizing that no one is beyond his reach. Imagine a shepherd, dedicated and determined, scouring the hills and valleys for just one sheep. This image captures the heart of God, who sees and values each individual, regardless of their current path. The shepherd's joy upon finding the lost sheep mirrors the joy in heaven when one sinner repents. This story encourages us to reflect on our own journeys. Are there areas in our lives where we feel distant from God? Remember, He seeks us out, offering hope and restoration. Let us pray for healing and transformation, trusting in God's promise to guide us back to His loving embrace. If these messages touch your heart, don't forget to like this video to support our channel and help spread God's wisdom. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an inspiring video. Comment below and let us know which lesson spoke to you the most. Thank you for being a part of our community. May God bless you on your journey of faith.